गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। हम पिछले वीडियो में हमने इंटेग्यूमेंटरी सिस्टम ऑफ फिश पढ़ा था। फिश इंटेग्यूमेंट में क्या स्ट्रक्चर होता है और उसमें क्या क्या डर्मल डेरिवेटिव्स पाए जाते हैं, जिनमें हमने जो है कलरेशन तथा अन्य डेरिवेटिव्स जो है वो पढ़े। अब हम इसी में ही डेरिवेटिव्स के बाद हम पढ़ते हैं फिश में पाए जाने वाले फिन्स। फिन क्या होते हैं? Fins are membranous extensions of the integument। ये जो है इंटेग्यूमेंट के मेम्ब्रेनस एक्सटेंशंस होते हैं, सपोर्टेड बाय मसल्स एंड फिन रेज, जो कि मसल्स और फिन रेज द्वारा सपोर्टेड होते हैं। और ये फिन्स जो हैं डिवॉइड ऑफ सीलोम एंड हाईली स्पेशलाइज्ड ऑर्गन ऑफ लोकोमोशन एंड एडेप्टेड फॉर स्विमिंग इन वाटर। तो ये जो हाई स्पेशलाइज्ड ऑर्गन होते हैं जो कि लोकोमोशन और स्विमिंग दोनों का काम जो है वो करते हैं। फिन्स आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू चीफ टाइप्स। फिन्स को हम दो भागों में बांट सकते हैं, द मीडियन फिन एंड द पेयर्ड फिन्स। तो मीडियन फिन्स आर अनपेयर्ड एंड एसोसिएट विद द एक्जियल स्केलेटन ऑफ द फिश। तो ये जो है अनपेयर्ड होते हैं और एक्जियल स्केलेटन से एसोसिएट होते हैं। द पेयर्ड फिन इन फिशेज ऑन द अदर हैंड आर पेयर्ड एंड एसोसिएट विद द अपेंडिकुलर स्केलेटन ऑफ द फिश। The median fish are located in dorsal, ventral and caudal position and named accordingly as dorsal, anal और ventral and caudal fin। तो median fin का जो है हम dorsal, anal और ventral और caudal fin जो है ये dorsal fin कहलाते हैं, median fin कहलाते हैं। During swimming, the dorsal and ventral fins functions as stabilizers to prevent the body from rolling, whereas the caudal fin help drive the fish by back and forth for sculling action. The paired fin include a pair of pectoral and a pair of pelvic fin। जबकि paired fins जो है वो pectoral और pelvic fin कहलाते हैं। And like median fins are supported by skeletal rods called radials और lepidotricha और fin rays and the myotomic muscles। ये भी जो है median fins की तरह ही रेडियल्स और मायोटोमिक मसल्स के द्वारा एसोसिएटेड रहते हैं। पेयर्ड फिन्स आर रिगार्डेड होमोलोगस टू द पेयर्ड लिम्स ऑफ हायर वर्टिब्रेट्स। द पेयर्ड फिन्स रेगुलेट द मूवमेंट ऑफ फिश ड्यूरिंग स्विमिंग। तो ये फिश जब स्विम करती है तो ये इसको रेगुलेट करते हैं। इन सम स्पीशीज ऑल द मीडियम फिन्स आर कंटिन्यूस एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूट ए सिंगल फोल्ड, बट इन मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टीलियोस द कंटिन्यूटी इज interrupted and the fins are separated by wide gaps। अब है मीडियन फिन्स, जिन्हें हम अनपेयर्ड फिन्स भी कहते हैं। एज रेफर्ड अबव, डोर्सल, वेंट्रल एंड एनाल एंड कॉन्डल फिन आर टर्म्ड एज मीडियन फिन्स। देयर precise account is being illustrated below. Dorsal and ventral fins. The median fins of cyclostomes and sturgeons too are the primitive type. This is because the caudal fin extends both dorsally and ventrally to form a continuous fold. From such a primitive type, the median fins are said to have been derived by interruption of continuity. The dorsal fin is located on the mid-dorsal side of the body. It often comprises two parts, the first dorsal and second dorsal fin. In some fishes, the second dorsal fin lacks any skeletal support and becomes a flabby structure called as the adipose fin, or in Mystus species, the ventral fin is located close behind the vent and also called as the anal fin. The dorsal and ventral are provided with a fleshy lobe at the base consisting of thin muscles surrounding the bases and the radials. In all the higher teleost, this fleshy lobe is present, the skeleton supporting the dorsal and ventral fin arises from the endoskeleton and the dermal sources. The former is disposed in the form of all fin rays called the radials or pterygiophores, and the later as dermal fin rays of dermotriche. The radials are composed of cartilage or bone and form the supporting rods of fins. They attach above with the neural arches of vertebrae and below to their thermal arches. The dermal fin rays are considered modified scales and accordingly they lie distal to the radials. These are usually forked at their tips to offer an additional support to the peripheral portions of the fins. अब है caudal fin. Caudal fin is a vertically expanded structure lying at the caudal end of the body. ये जो है body के सबसे end में पाया जाता है. It is supported by the modified largely caudal vertebrae. It can be differentiated into dorsal, epicordial and ventral hypocordial lobe. The former lies above and the latter below the spinal column. Skeleton elements of caudal fin have been described in chapter 11, integumentary system. Caudal fin is also called as tail fin. इसको हम tail fin भी कहते हैं. The internal and external architectural design of caudal fin is varies depending upon the swimming habits of the fins and described below. तो fins के swimming के आधार पर इनकी जो स्ट्रक्चर है या डिजाइन है वो बदलती है. तो varieties of caudal fin. The skeleton supporting the caudal or tail fin is somewhat of different nature to the body to that of the dorsal and ventral fins. In involve special modifications of vertebral column. The caudal fin of the adult fishes may be grouped into three under following types. First, protocircle tail. It is the most primitive type of tail. Here the notochord is straight and reaches up to the tip of the tail and divides the caudal fin into two equal lobes. The upper lobe termed as epicordial or epicaudal and the lower lobe is termed as hypocaudal or hypocaudal. Around the central axis, a series of rods arranged with support the fin membrane. The fin fold continues with the dorsal and the anal fin to form a continuous fold. तो ये जो है दोनों इसके जो लोब होते हैं वो बराबर होते हैं, इसलिए इसे होमोसर्कल टेल भी कहलाते हैं. And the anal fin to form a continuous fold unsupported by the fin ray. This type of fin has a characteristic of early fishes. However, at present it is found in cyclostomes and the living dipnyons. तो ये cyclostomes और dipnyons में पाई जाती है. फिर है heterocircle tail, यानी कि unequal tail. दोनों लोब जो है वो छोटे बड़े होते हैं. This type is common in condic fish and some primitive bony fishes. However, it is best studied in dogfish and sturgeons. In this type, the hind end of vertebral column is bent upward and continuous almost up to the tip of the fin. Thus, the two lobes of the fin are differentiated into a smaller upper lobe, the epicordial lobe, and a much larger lower lobe. The hypocordial lobe, the latter has its origin entirely from the lower side of the upturned vertebral column. Thus, both externally, internally, the lobes of the caudal fins are asymmetrical. The heterocircle tail is sometimes referred to the sharp tail type of caudal fin. थर्ड है होमोसर्कल टेल फिन, इक्वल टेल, यानी कि दोनों लोग बराबर. तो होमोसर्कल टेल fin is characteristic of most of the hydrilios. It is superficially symmetrical, constituting the equal sized epi and hypocaudal lobes. But internally, the tail is asymmetrical and the hinder end of the vertebral column is turned upward and greatly shortened. The end of the vertebral column does not reach the posterior limit of the fin. In fact, the epicaudal lobe is much smaller than the heterocircle tail, as almost the entire caudal fin of homocercal type is derived from the lower lobe, and the upper lobe contributes only a few small unbranched type rays to the upper margin of the fin. Most of the Lepidotaiga of caudal fin articulate with the hyoporals. In many teleos, in polypterans, the urostyle is reduced into a single upturned spine, but the fleshy lobe remains unturned on the upper side. This type is often referred to the abbreviated heterocircle tail. In Amia and Lepidostis, again the tail is of abbreviated heterocircle type, as the Upturned spine support only the antroventral lobe of heterocercal type, while the posterior dorsal is much reduced. तो ये जो है ये इसमें दिखा रखी है फिशेज, जिसमें फर्स्ट है प्रोटोसर्कल की डाइफाइसर्कल टेल, सेकंड हेट्रोस्टेकी, थर्ड होमोसर्कल टेल, फोर्थ एब्रीवेटेड हेट्रोसर्कल, 5 हाइपोसर्कल, 6 G5 सर्कल और 7 आइसो सर्कल। तो ये सारे जो है फिश के फिन्स, टेल के जो फिन्स हैं वो दिखाए गए हैं। अब है मॉडिफिकेशंस ऑफ कॉर्डल फिन। द ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम हेट्रोसर्की ऑफ होमोसर्की टेल इज एविडेंटली available in a number of fossil bony fishes, but the example from the living bony fishes is also not rare. The primitive group like holosteans, which includes Ameian Lepidostes and Brachypterigians including Polypterus, are the best example. The caudal fin of numerous living fishes cannot be categorized or classified with any of three groups mentioned above. Hence, those specialized caudal fins special names have been coined. तो इनमें मॉडिफिकेशन कौन कौन से होते हैं? फर्स्ट आइसोसर्कल, सेकंड इंटरनली सिमेट्रिकल टेल, थर्ड सूडो सर्कल टेल, फोर्थ हाइपोसर्कल टेल, 5 G5 सर्कल टेल, 6 अनयूजुअल टेल फिन। तो फर्स्ट है आइसोसर्कल इन मैनी फिशेज जैसे रेड टेल ईल्स, featherbacks, glennies and gemaripeds. The tail is tapering and symmetrical, hence called isocercal tail. In this type of tail, the spine is drawn out into a long and straight rod-like structure. The fin fold develop both above and below the rod in the form of marginal extensions of the tail and remains supported by the fin rays. Embryologically, this type of tail is brought about by reduction in size of lower caudal lobe and an elongation of the dorsal and ventral fins until a continuous fin fold is re-established. The true nature is, however, revealed by the internal asymmetry of the skeletal elements. Second है internally symmetrical tail. This type of tail is found in coats. In this, the true caudal is reduced and few in elements are fused with it. The larval tail may be regarded fundamentally internally symmetrical tail. Third है pseudo caudal tail. The tail fin of modern lungfish is still more difficult to interpret because no clue can be gained from embryology. At no stage is there any evidence of heterocerky. Yet it is difficult to believe that this is a true protocercal tail because all the known ancestral lungfishes possessed clearly heterocercal tails. फिर है hypocercal tail. It is also called as the inverted hypocercal tail and is known from certain early egg matter. In this case, the vertebral axis is turned sharply downwards and the lobe is developed from the upper surface. 5 G5 circle tail. It is also called bridge tail. It represents a very specialized condition and is otherwise only found in the pearl fishes. This type of tail is very much like the isocercal, but the fins are reduced to vestiges. The caudal lobe or peduncle is truncated and the hypurals in the spiral column are lacking. 6 है unusual tail fin. In such case, the caudal fin is unique in being directed upwards at right angles to the long axis of the body. In the young fish, the rays of lower lobe are prolonged into lengthy filaments like those of the dorsal and ventral fins, but these become frequently shorter as growth proceeds and family the lower lobe of the disappears. अब है shape of the externally symmetrical tail. Among bony fishes with externally symmetrical fin, the shape of the caudal fin exhibit a good deal of variation. 7 main type of caudal fin may be recognized. First, lunate or crescentric. Second, forked. Third, emarginate. Fourth, truncate. 5 rounded. 6 pointed और 7 double. तो इस तरह से ये जो है 7 पाई जाती है. अब हम आते हैं, द शेप ऑफ द फिन जनरली प्रोवाइड्स ए गुड इंडेक्स ऑफ स्पीड एंड एजिलिटी। इन जनरल फिशेज with luminate or deeply forked caudals are capable of sustained swimming at high speed, whereas those with squarish or rounded caudals, although capable of sudden short bursts of speed, are on the who comparatively show swimmers. Our trends of evolution of caudal fin. In brief, the trend of evolution of caudal fin led towards concentration of certain skeletal supporting elements. First, concentration of skeletal elements and muscle. Second, development of a flexible uh, with web. Third, a reduction in the area of attachment. तो ये है मीडियन फिन्स, जिनमें की जो है हमने सारे आपको बताए थे किस तरह से टेल जो है कॉडल फिन और ये सब पाए जाते हैं और उनकी क्या स्ट्रक्चर होती है और ये कितने प्रकार के होते हैं। अब अगले वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे पेयर्ड फिन्स। पेयर्ड फिन्स ये जो है ये फिन जो है लोकोमोशन और स्विमिंग का कार्य करते हैं फिश के अंदर, और ये जो है फिश के ऊपर जो है इंटेगुमेंट से संबंधित ही उनके ऊपर जो है अरेंजमेंट की तरह पाए जाते हैं। और अब हम मीडियम फिन्स के बाद अगले वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे पेयर्ड फिन्स। थैंक यू।